At the 52nd ADB Annual Meeting's host country event, Fiji unveiled the inaugural class of honorees chosen in a nationwide campaign aimed at recognizing extraordinary youth achievement, 30 Under 30, the faces of Fiji's future. Run as a partnership between the Fijian government and My Life magazine, it put a spotlight on Fiji's young people who have had impressive achievements across a wide range of fields and industries. With 70% of the population under 40, the goal was to identify 30 leaders under the age of 30 and honor them with a first-of-its-kind recognition. We have talented entrepreneurs, high-tech innovators, teachers and change makers, environmentalists and climate champions, athletes and artists, to name a few in the room today. The Fijian economy is constantly evolving. This movement into the future is fueled through innovation and the ingenuity of young leaders who will set the tone for Fiji's future in the global economy. These honorees, having made on-the-ground impact in their communities, showcased the diversity in Fiji's talent pool, standing at the forefront of revolution and innovation. I commend their commitment to building a more inclusive and sustainable region. And each one of them, after achieving remarkable accomplishments in their own lives, has generously chosen to pass on their success in a big way, with a check for $500 in their name to a charity of their choosing. By putting a spotlight on those society-shaping organizations being recognized today, our inaugural 30 Under 30 class is continuing to have an outsized impact on shaping Fiji's future. With these words, I'd like to congratulate the honorees for their achievement and wish them all the best for their future endeavors. Thank you.